attend our panel discussion. And I want to thank Digital Moment for organizing this amazing event for our Social Innovation Lab.
How would you like technology to be more incorporated in schools and be more educated on the subject?
Knowing how to maybe check the sources a little bit more, teaching people that it's not always 100% accurate, the information you're getting.
There are limitations, and if you don't understand what it is and how it works, it's very dangerous, but it's a very good tool that we need to start to master.
So in terms of the legal aspects of AI, there are a lot of gray areas, there are a lot of things we don't know about, like intellectual property and data management and data privacy.
I'd love to know how many of you have cheated using AI. I'm sure probably everyone, almost everyone, maybe not. Well, you're not going to admit to it. But
It's about solving this real problem, and it's about helping these people. And sure, we're using AI to solve that, and this is how we're doing it. But it's focusing a little bit more on these are the people, this is the market we're trying to reach.
And it's good to understand the power of AI and how it can be used. The answer is not necessarily to have it everywhere. And what we see sometimes is that people just start by AI after they try to find where it's going to fit, instead of just trying to come from the problem and really see like, okay, what's the problem and what are all the different tools.
The people that you see on the stage are able to leverage AI because we have some foundational knowledge in something. So we know something really well. And then now when I use AI in my job, I'm leveraging all that knowledge. It's in my database, in my brain, and I can't always pinpoint exactly where, but I'm pulling it in, and when I use AI, it makes me powerful. It makes me able to do incredible things.
How do you guys go about funding for your companies, for startups? Nowadays, we see a lot of social media too presence. People are able to fund their entire projects off this. So what do you guys suggest for people like us, young people starting to do a startup to go with, and how did you guys go about?
I didn't start because I wanted to become an entrepreneur. I started because I wanted to solve a problem. And I arrived to a point where I need support to be able to do it.
And maybe you don't need money. Because sometimes if you have no money, it makes you creative about what you're doing. And maybe by the time you need to get money from someone is because you want to scale this business and take it to different parts of Canada, etc. So this idea that you need money to start is also not entirely true. You can start by what is it you want to build? What's your idea? What do you want to sell? Start doing it. Just start doing it, whatever it is.
find what you're passionate about and just keep going at that. It's very hard to be really good at something if you're not passionate about it.
You can be creative and be an entrepreneur. It's not always this, I need to go speak to VCs. You're at Startupfest, that's kind of the model for certain types of companies. But if you're an entrepreneur in your heart, get going, just start.